Hi YouTubers, it's George. I'm in the bungalow and I've had my first Mazda Bongo problem with the diesel heater, the Chinese diesel heater. And the problem was I was doing some work under the van and I noticed that the diesel heater fuel pump was dangling on its wires and fuel pipe. A view under the Mazda Bongo. There's the diesel heater there and the exhaust going all the way along the van. I pulled the connector off for the time being, but you can see the bolt where the rubber bit goes on, and look, that's the problem, because the rubbers broke off. And what had happened was the rubber mount for the Chinese diesel heater fuel pump broke off, this rubber mount, and that's the bit that broke off. So this was flopping about with the pump in it. Problem I've got at the moment, I need to use the Mazda Bongo and I probably need to use the heater in it, and this is the fuel pump for the Chinese diesel heater was dangling on its wires and the fuel pipe. So I thought, well, it's going to be a while before I get a new one of these, and basically it stops me from using the camper van. So I've come up with a fix, and I did think I could glue this back so I could use it, but it's not strong enough. So what I've come up with the idea is I've got some copper 15mm water pipe, hammered it flat and made this bracket. So this bracket is going to go round there like that, and then I'm going to put the bolt back into the bodywork for the time being, so that will support the pump from flapping about underneath the motorhome camper van. And what I'm also going to do is, when the new bracket arrives, the rubber mount I should say, I'm going to permanently use this in the future. So if the rubber goes again, this will stop it from dangling on its wires on the fuel pipe. But whether it will affect the thump 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 when it's working, I don't know. But as I say, this is the first failure I've had that's caused a problem, and it's just been this rubber broke, and all it was supporting by a single bolt was the pump. So it's either been doing that or it's perished. It's got cracks in it and things. So as I said, earlier in the video, I've got another one on order, but it's going to be a while before it comes. So this is going to be my fix to hold it all together until the new one arrives. But I'm not sure whether, because this is going to be around the outside, it's going to transfer more noise from the pump into the body of the Mazda Bongo. So I'll have to wait and see. But to say, this is what I've come up with to help solve the problem temporary. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.